Showcasing the quintessential of living in the heart of the Lower North Shore, presenting a block of only 12 apartments, this one offers it all. Hi, my name's Titan Davis, proudly representing Pello. I can't wait to show you through this home. Let's go take a look. Upon entry, you're immediately struck with beautiful high ceilings, as well as loads of natural sunlight. The living space is sizable and is really the heart of the home. This is met with a separate dining space, which could also be used as a sunroom or study. The kitchen is certainly a feature and includes stylish stone bench tops, gas cooking, internal laundry, and flows out to the side access stairwell with impeccable outlook of the city, Harbour Bridge, and North Sydney skyline. The accommodation is generous across 2 well-sized bedrooms, both including built-in wardrobes as well as Sydney skyline as your backdrop. The bedrooms are serviced by a classic bathroom, which gives a real sense of elegance and also includes a bathtub. Other features include ample cupboard storage throughout, plantation shutters, and a large common storage facility. Buyers will also love the scope for future improvement and renovations to add their own taste and touches. Something that I absolutely love about this apartment, and I know will appeal to so many buyers in this price range, apart from the perfect northern aspect and period features found throughout the home, has to be the location itself. We're only moments away from Hay Street Ferry, Anderson Park, and when it comes to cafes and restaurants, we're absolutely spoilt for choice. Beautiful homes of this caliber in this pocket of Neutral Bay do not last long. If there's any questions, give me a call, otherwise I'll see you at the next inspection.